So today we're here trying out the one and only ZAXBY'S. It's our first time.
First time trying taxi. That's one of that.
Oh. So I got.
Sorry guys.
You with it? Mm-mm.
Coming up.
So I got the chicken sandwich.
What I got chicken tenders, basic, and fries. Let me see.
It kind of reminded me of Cane's, but I mean they taste different, obviously. So let's try it out. The fries are good. I kind of opened some a little bit because I'm a hungry bitch. I got the tongue torch sauce and some buffalo, the one and only. Your funnel cake, and he got his dessert. Funnel
You also got a funnel cake.
And then ZAXBY sauce, which is pretty good. Think about like cane sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce. They're all the same. I feel like I mean, they're not all the same, but I feel like they're all made the same and they all look the same. Like, I feel like every freaking food place now has their own type of sauce.
We got cream Coca-Cola soda. That shit's it's thick like frosty. Like Coke
Icy.
Coke icy.
No, it's nasty. Unless you're into that. But personally, disgusting. There's bacon on it.
Yeah,
so apparently there's bacon on it. No, they didn't give us any. They didn't give us ketchup.
Man, I want barbecue sauce.
I think that's overstood. We have some, I think. Aye.
Okay, let me check.
Famous chicken. So on their sign it said real chicken. So what? Every other place sells fake chicken? The fries are a little thick. We like them thick. Tongue torch is pretty good. The buffalo, every buffalo is different. I don't know. Do I look fine?
Sexy.
Do I look fine or do I look fine?
You look sexy as fuck.
So I don't know if y'all have noticed, but not every place has the same type of buffalo. Like I've gone to like Jack in the Box, like a food, like a random restaurant, like this one, like freaking Chick-fil-A. Like they all have different types of buffalo. But it's still so good.
Bro, I hate how he likes his knuckles.
Go ahead and dip it. Look at that.
¿Estás con un pedo? Who's that? No, llegamos. Ese es un pedito.
I didn't hear shit. This only napkin they gave us. Oh no.
Yeah.
Like try this the sauce.
No, I don't like. Well, this is a sauce. I don't like it.
Just try it.
No, like I don't know. If it ain't ketchup or barbecue, I don't fuck with it.
Oh look, I saw a trick. Okay, I seen a trick on TikTok. Like when it's damn near empty, just grab it. Yeah, and you go like this. And all of it comes down. Look at that.
Alright. It worked?
I mean, es que de por sí ya no tiene, but that's the trick. But I mean, I don't even have no more.
Ya está tiene. Let me see. Let me try it out. First with barbecue.
The sandwich is pretty big. Oh, piece of chicken. Oh shit. You like?
You like it? Good. Good ass chicken.
It's real chicken. Oh, their sign said.
Damn. I don't know which one better cake for this one.
French chicken is good too.
I like the bread too. This bread is good too.
Water Whataburger bread is super good.
You know, it's just regular bread with butter.
But it just is different. You're not gonna make it like that anywhere else or find it like that. You know what I mean? Like every place just has their like way of making things. Like yeah, everybody sells chicken, everybody sells fries, but every place is different at the end of the day. Like if you know, you know. If you don't.
This is good. Mmm. Mmm. Man, this barbecue is good as fuck too. Aquí andamos comiendo, tragando.
Mm.
So what you think about Narcos? Like that.
You know how many times,
Talk to me.
babe? We started watching Narcos, right? We started today, right?
No. Oh, but we can talk about it.
How many times have you asked me today?
Like 3 times.
Bro, like I can count on my 10 fingers how many times he's asked me. I think it's good. It is interesting how it all came upon how these drug lords is out here making bank,
Respecting
making
them, respecting them.
making business, doing their thing.
Look, the fries have like Cajun.
Hmm?
Look, they have like Cajun.
Not enough.
What happened?
Not enough.
That shit's good though. Damn, this chicken is really good. This barbecue is good as fuck too.
What you think about Narcos?
They some crazy motherfuckers. And everything's about money. Money rules the world.
Money indeed does rule this world. People who say money can't buy happiness, stupid. I mean, not for everyone. Obviously, money can't buy happiness. Like, you could have all the money in the world and be alone, have nobody. Ooh,
The fuck?
you just stick in my throat.
No andes hablando cuando andes comiendo.
Comiendo. But like, if I had all the money in the world, I'd solve all my life problems. I have my partner. I have my mommy. I have my nieces. I'd be happy anyway. I mean, I'm happy anyway, but obviously, like, having that big bulk of money, like,
Only if they have barbecue, bro. What's your favorite? So you never like eating like chicken nuggets with barbecue?
chicken nuggets, no. Turkey, yeah.
Turkey with barbecue?
Bro,
What?
you tried it. You said that shit was good. He just be talking, like, he just be talking
Oh
shit,
yeah, yeah,
literally.
like turkey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, I'm tripping. Hold on, I'm thinking
No,
about
I'm here
it.
making faces like, you swear.
I forgot. Man, we gotta get on man.
You just be talking.
All right, I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna look back for my.
And then he want to be petty. Talking about petty. He be talking about me being petty, but he always doing this. Always, 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 always. Mm. Are you dead ass?
Boo. Be mean.
What do you mean?
Who are? I'm just trying to talk to you. My feelings. That shit's good. 1 to 10.
7.
So not that good.
It's good. It's just, it's nothing like, nothing new.
Well, I don't know. There's no chicken spot I know that I could compare it to.
Really, I think you could compare it to Cane's. Like, it's igualito, even the fries and everything.
I compare the chicken tastes like Chick-fil-A chicken.
No. If
Yeah.
anything, it's like Cane's.
Mm-hmm. Does Cane's?
No.
No.
You know when you can't compare to Chick-fil-A chicken, KFC. They started selling these nuggets. Exactly Chick-fil-A nuggets. At once, we could get. That's what you can compare to Chick-fil-A.
No, I know, but for example, the Cane's texture, like for example, what is it? What is this? The breading? Yeah, like the Cane's breading, it peels out real quick. Like you know what I'm saying? The texture from the outside,
It's pretty
and this
similar.
one's in there.
If anything,
This
it's like
one
water
reminds
burger
me of
chicken.
Chick-fil-A.
No.
Some Chick-fil-A tenders. That's what it reminds me of. Does McDonald's doesn't sell chicken tenders no more?
I never have.
Yes, they have. They used to sell them. I used to buy them.
I don't remember no chicken tenders.
You never remember it? You don't remember, or you never seen it? Alex?
Mm-mm.
That's crazy.
Mhm. My phone's over there.
You don't think they ever saw chicken tenders? That's not. They did.
Chicken tenders?
Yeah. It was like number 13. Some bullshit like that.
Making up a whole number.
Bro, McDonald's used to sell chicken tenders. Do you remember the old Willowbrook, like the food court?
Hmm?
Like the old Willowbrook food court? When they had a fountain in the middle?
Mm, kinda. A little, but damn, like, whatever changes up.
Well, just a food court area, honestly. Because other than that, the concept stays the same.
The what?
Like the concept, like the
Oh, yeah, I'm not talking
edificio,
about that, but the
they
way
just
they.
added just some on the
There's
side, like
extra.
Dick's. Food court is Dick's, and the food court did change. I used to seem bigger. I used to seem way bigger. La entradas were bigger, and la entradas were like them sliding doors.
Mm-hmm. Even the name when the front is different. I remember when they were constructing it, I'm like, damn, what the fuck are they gonna do here?
At that time, that's when I was working there.
Really?
When they were building that shit.
That's crazy. So when he was working there, he was like, what, 16?
Yeah.
I was probably like 13. I would go to the mall. And the love of my life was there and I didn't even know it.
And your mom with her working at the mall too.
My mom used to work at the mall too. And she would go to the food court all the time. But she would always go to this one place. It was like one of the Chinese places they have there.
No, she never even got.
No, like when she would go, that's why she's like so obsessed with it. Because when she would go there, like she would always go there and get food if like she didn't bring it or whatever, right? But it was crazy. I would walk by, probably walk past her. He probably see me one time and he was like, "Damn, that sexy bitch." And
Actually,
then never saw him again, or he never saw me again.
I also seen you at the Mexico game.
You didn't see me,
That
or you maybe you
escapade.
did.
That
And
escapade.
he was like, "Damn, that sexy bitch right there again." But he's like, "Oh, but he ain't asked for my number."
Baby, I was like 14. How old were you?
I don't give a fuck how old I was. I still get the number. Mm.
Yeah, we got so off track. What was I telling you? Oh, about the food. About McDonald's. Oh, about whatever. Well, that should change. They used to have a Wendy's in that home.
Mhm. You do.
Taco Bell with Wendy's. Oh no, Taco Bell was Sonic. They had a Sonic too.
Taco Bell is trash. I said what I said.
They
I've
have
been there one time and only one time. Never go back.
yeah. So Wendy's.
Yeah.
Taco Bell was Wendy's, and then Great Wraps was Sonic. Because when I worked
See, I don't
there,
know. I ain't right there. Like, I would just pop up here and there. You know what I'm saying? Like show up, show my face, and that was it.
you remember there was a fountain in the middle, and then the entrance where the sliding doors. Well, I don't even remember it would have been more without H&M. Remember when they had Sears in there?
Mhm.
Had a Sears
We
in
would
there.
always hit Sears because my grandma, she had a Sears card, and we would always damn Sears really went downhill. But we would always go because she needed to pay
Okay, okay.
her credit card. Yeah, Sears went down. It was pretty cool though. I mean, it was your average like Macy's or
Oh,
Dillard's,
they
but
had a Payless too.
Payless. Oh no, not a Payless. Fucking
Yeah,
what was that shit
Payless.
called? Mm. You know how Northwest Palace Royal. Palace Royal. We would always remember Palace Royal went to shit as well. It was a pretty cool place too though. Like we would walk out. You know how like Dillard's you it's like a whole shop, like a whole store
What you know
itself.
about Graceful? I used to be there all the time.
Okay, that's not a fucking flex. I used to be all the time too. For fun. Yeah, what do I know about Green Point?
But you said I didn't know because I live in Spring. I just moved here like 3 years ago.
Damn, 3 years? Shit, that's a long time. I lived in Northwest my whole life to
You
this day.
you live in Spring. You've been living here for like about a year. In Spring. And counting. What you know about Graceful?
I used to do hood rat shit there.
Damn, this chicken is so good, bro.
I'm full. I'm gonna go bed.
You got fries?
Mhm.
Right here. Hmm. This is our first. What's this shit called?
What's it called?
Mukbang.
No more tongue juice because I'm sleepy.
Oh,
I'm just kidding. Yeah, it was pretty good. Average chicken. Nothing crazy, but I would need to try it because people say it's really good.
I don't know. It's either because I got the munchies or this is just smacking.
Oh, Wingstop is better though, right? Between this and Wingstop,
But this is I'm not eating wings though. This is chicken.
but it's still chicken, babe.
Uh,
No, but
I consider it a different category.
no, I don't think so. It's still chicken to me.
Cause I didn't eat. They had wings. I didn't eat their wings.
I guess.
I mean, obviously, Wingstop is better.
Exactly.
I'm
I'm just saying
I
Wingstop's
don't
better.
compare this to Wingstop. I compare this to like Chick-fil-A chicken, the chicken tenders from whatever. I'm gonna say McDonald's because they don't have them no more.
Look at that. Look at that.
No, thank you. Damn. Ooh.
You know when you take the clothes. Oh, I got that clothes to put away, but
What?
I got to put away that clothes.
We could do that shit next week. Where you going? Where you going?
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go check on the clothes.
Oh, how about this? Ooh, this rice looks good. Yes.
I don't want that.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So we gonna keep. Eat it, eat it.
Oh, it makes.
Bring them toes over here. Oh, the funnel cake.
The what? Oh, the funnel cake. Oh,
Come
that's all
on.
you. I don't want any. You know, it smells so strong,
What?
so sweet.
The funnel cake?
My grandma loves funnel cakes. Then when the rodeo comes around, that's mainly what she goes for, the food.
Alright.
It's okay.
Yeah. I'm glad I was in Mountain. This was our first. What's it called?
Mukbang. Mukbang. That's what he calls it, mukbang.
Whatever it's
This is
called.
our
This is
first
our first one.
mukbang.
First of many.
And we out.